Amazon says New York Union. I don't think they have consciousness like that, by the way. But anyway, we can dream of conscious mushrooms. Amazon says New York Union organizers gave workers weed to help secure unionization votes. Well, that's one way to get it done.
Yeah.
Shout out Mao. He's looking for an update on your NFT project. Mo?
My NFT project?
Yeah.
It's still in the works.
Okay.
Look at this person.
Not much of it.
Very happy about it.
She's doing the hands. She's doing the emoji.
Or the clap.
No. Amazon workers at the JFK 8 warehouse in New York recently voted to form the company's first union. Amazon is challenging the vote and filed several new objections Friday.
Of course.
Among other things, the company complained that unionizers gave weed to workers ahead of the vote. Is there a rule against that?
I don't know.
Are you allowed to? Go ahead, Will.
Isn't it a form of bribery?
Yeah, but I don't know. What are they allowed to a little slight bribe? I don't know.
Slight bribe.
Amazon has claimed that New York union organizers handed out marijuana to workers in a bid to secure unionization votes. The object was one of several made by the e-commerce giant Friday as it seeks to overturn a vote that created the first union in the company's history. Oh, I guess they are trying to use it in some way to their advantage in the argument against this union, it seems. So maybe you're not allowed to incentivize in that fashion.
But of course, they're biased in the matter. They don't want them to unionize,
Yeah.
right? So they're not gonna.
Yeah, but if they were
shout
gonna,
out 2-Bit Bears.
but were they gonna like just randomly select the weed version?
I think they're trying
Like-
anything.
But do you, so like maybe one guy who was part of the organizers gave some weed to one worker that was unrelated?
Could be. That's what.
And that makes the news.
I'm just saying, is that what?
just
I'm just saying, is that what you're saying?
Yeah. I'm saying that Amazon's gonna look for anything to overturn this rule.
Shout out 2-Bit Bears. Come on with another 100 on the super chat. It's really unbelievable. We don't deserve it. According to reports that finally Amazon's lawyer said ALU organizers distributed cannabis to workers ahead of the vote and said the NLRB cannot condone such a practice as a legitimate method for obtaining support for a labor organization. Can you imagine? Join the union, get a bag of weed?
That can't be it.
No?
I don't know. Is that convincing people?
How much weed?
Fake news, Mo?
Yes. I don't know. But I have my doubts about this story. I
Is
have
Mo
my
more
doubts.
skeptical than usual today?
I'm exhausted. We'll call it that. I'm like,
Is that what it comes down to? He's not buying anything today. He did buy the China stuff, though. Did you see his expression when that was going on? Mm-hmm. He fully bought. But this one...
Straight lace Mo.
Eric Milner, a lawyer representing the ALU, told AP that organizers handing out cannabis was no different than distributing free T-shirts. And it certainly did not act to interfere with the election. So he's admitting that that's what they were doing, Mo.
oh, looks like.
He's saying that was it's no big deal. It's just a T-shirt and some weed.
Okay.
Join the union.
He's holding a pound of weed.
Oh, he added, we urge Amazon to cease these childish legal games, respect the voices of their workers, and engage in behavior that is more becoming of Earth's best employer. Ooh. Well, maybe earlier it wasn't shots fired, but that's definitely shots fired.
Mm-hmm.
And Will's got quite the container over there.
It was very loud. Sorry.
So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.